And action. Oh look, a fair maiden running in the woods, carefree and happy. But what's waiting for her around the corner? Oh no! Oh, oh, it's a fearsome tree monster! Oh! Oh, oh, and a fearsome tree wants to live to fight another day. Oh, let's have a close-up of this fearsome tree. Oh no, it's too horrible, it's too horrible. Oh, oh dear. Oh, I think I'm going to get out of here. I think I'm going to go home. Oh.
Wait for me! I live in number 2, Red Riding Street.
Oh.
Help me!
Oh dear,
Save me,
this wood's too
woodcutter.
spooky for half.
Save me, woodcutter.
Oh.